Yes, children, now we are going to see exercise 1.2, Roman letter 1, solve by Cramer's rule. Solve by Cramer's rule or solve by determinant method, both are same. First exercise we studied about solve by rank method. Rank method la ketta echelon form la kondu vandittu adukapprama x y z values kandupidippom. Okay va? Here you are asked with the Cramer's rule method, so definitely you should use this method only. மெத்தட் கொஷினில் என்ன மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அந்த மெத்தட் ஃபாலோ பண்ணி தான் XYZ வேல்யூஸ் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? எந்த மெத்தடில் போட்டாலுமே யூ வில் கெட் த வேல்யூஸ் ஆஃப் XYZ சேம் ஒன்லி. ஓகேவா? பட் த மெத்தட் விச் யூ ஆர் ஆஸ்ட் டு டூ இன் த கொஷின் தட் ஒன்லி யூ ஷுட் ஃபாலோ ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்லி. ஓகே, Roman letter 1 subdivision 1. This is using two variable children, 2x plus 3y equal to 7, 3x plus 5y equal to 9. Let us take delta value first. Delta is equal to determinant of left hand side values, that is coefficients of x and y. 2, 3 in the first equation, 3, 5 in the second equation. Determinant you can find determinant symbol in the vertical line na podanum, bracket mari podakudadu. Okay, you know that how to solve this, evaluate this. 2 5s are 10, minus 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. You should show that the value of delta is not equal to 0. Only when the value of delta is not equal to 0, you can find the values of x and y. Okay va? So is not equal to 0 to the confirm, you should compare with the 0. Not equal to 0 show pannittu da you should move for finding delta x. Delta x is nothing but replacing this x. Idu vandu x column, idu vandu y column. Delta x na x column replace pananum with the help of right hand side values 7 and 9. X column in the 2 and 3 எடுத்துட்டு 7 and 9 போடணும். The second column remains same. Okay, determinant again you should find out. 7 5s are 35 minus 27. If you subtract you will get 8. இதை வந்து நீ எந்த நம்பர் கூட கம்பேர் பண்ண வேண்டாம். Only delta you are supposed to compare with 0, that is not equal to 0. Right? Next delta y. Delta y அப்படினா delta matrixல determinantல y column மட்டும் மாத்தணும் with the help of these values 7 and 9. 2 and 3 அப்படியே இருக்கும். இந்த காலம் மட்டும் எடுத்துட்டு 7 9 போடணும். 2 and 3 remain same, replace with 7 and 9. 2 9s are 18 minus 21. Subtracting and getting minus 3. Use calci. Okay, immediately after finding delta, delta x, delta y, you can move with the word by Cramer's rule. Definitely you should write this by Cramer's rule. You are following by Cramer's rule ன்றத கண்டிப்பா எழுதணும். Formula for Cramer's rule is x equal to delta x by delta. For finding x, this is the formula, delta x by delta, that is equal to delta x value what we found is 8, delta value what we received is 1, 8 by 1. Okay, pick out the values correctly. Delta x and the word பார்த்துட்டு இதுக்கு corresponding value எழுதிட்டு denominator delta na delta, that notation you should see, and the value of that delta you should pick out and write it here. 8 by 1 is 8. Similarly y is nothing but delta y by delta. Okay, what delta y value is minus 3 by delta value is 1, dividing and getting minus 3. Finally you should write the answer like this: x equal to 8, y equal to minus 3. Okay, very simple concept. 3 steps are there if it is 2 unknowns, delta, delta x, delta y. Suppose 3 unknowns are the delta z னு போடணும். அப்போ work out எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம் lengthy work out இருக்கும், because 3 variables problem எல்லாமே 3 by 3 determinant இருக்கும். Okay, do you understand this? Let us move to the next question now. See children, second subdivision you can do on your own, you try it. Let us move to the third subdivision. This is nothing but with the 3 equations with 3 variables. See, first you are going to find out delta. Delta na x oda coefficient, y oda coefficient, z oda coefficient. First row. Next 1 1 1. Second row. Next 1 minus 2 minus 3. Third row. Okay. First you evaluate this and name it as delta. You know how to evaluate this. First we know that pick out the value here, first row, first column 2, put determinant, leave this column and leave this row, and what is remaining that you should write here. Okay, for the second number you should give minus 1. If it is already minus, you should write it as plus 1. Okay va? Right. Now leave this column and leave this row. What you are having? 1 1 1 minus 3. 1 1 1 minus 3. Okay va? Next last column minus 1. Leave this column and leave this row. What you are having? 1 1 1 minus 2. Okay va? So this 2 will remain as it is. If you multiply this 1 into minus 3 in the cross பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு மைனஸ் போடுவோம் இல்லையா? So minus minus plus 1 into 2 plus 2. Okay, then minus 1 will come as it is. Cross multiply this minus 3 in the cross பண்ணோம்னா minus 1. Okay, suppose இதில் ஒரு நம்பர் மைனஸ் வந்தால் இங்கே என்ன வந்துடும், ப்ளஸ் வந்துடும். ரெண்டுமே மைனஸ் வந்தால் இங்கே என்ன வந்துடும், மைனஸ் வந்துடும். ஓகேவா? Now write this minus 1 as it is. Multiply this minus 2, this minus 1 into 1, 1. Use calculus minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay. This is minus 4. Add and write same sign. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. This is add and write same sign. Minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3. Okay. And now 7 minus 2 is 5. This is not equal to 0. Delta value should compare with 0. If it is not equal to 0, you can proceed the problem, right? Then delta x. Delta x, how to do? This x column you should change. The column x column irukku change pannum. With what? In the 3, 1 and 4. 3, 1 and 4 x column. Okay, now as usual evaluate 3 by 3 determinant. You know how to evaluate this and you get the answer as 10. Similarly, del y value also you are going to find. Del y, how you are going to find? Keeping x and y columns in delta. The delta போடுறோம் இல்லையா, இதில் x column z column, keeping x and z column as it is. Change y column with 3, 1, 4. Y column with 3, 1, 4. X and z column same. And now we are going to work out this. Z column with the last column மட்டும் on the right hand side values வச்சு மாற்றணும். X and y columns as it is. How to calculate this? 2 அப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும். 2 row column விட்டுட்டா remaining 1, 1 minus 2, 4. The second element minus 1. இந்த column இந்த row விட்டுட்டோம்னா 1, 1, 1, 4. ஓகேவா? Then plus 3. Last element அப்படியே வரும். So leaving this row and column 1, 1, 1 minus 2. Okay, you know how to calculate this. 1 4s are 4. In the cross lower minus, so 2 minus irundha plus. Okay, minus 1 will come as it is. 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. This is only 1 minus, so you should write minus 3 as it is. Minus 2, here only 1 minus, 1 1s are 1. 6 2s are 12. 3 into 1 3, and here minus 3 into plus 3 minus 9. Calculate and get 0. So del value தான் உனக்கு வந்து என்ன வரக்கூடாது, 0 வரக்கூடாது. Remaining values you may get 0, no problem. By Cramer's rule you are going to continue this. X equal to del x by del y equal to del y by del z equal to del z by del. Okay va? Del x value we received 10 by 5 is 2. And this is minus 5 by plus 5, that is equal to minus 1. 0 by anything is 0. Finally you should list out all the values what you received. Is it clear everybody?